right, coming down Airport Road on the back side of the hill here towards the old Pilgrim Glass. Let everybody check it out.
Looks like they got some of it off the road already.
Well, they came through and cleared it a little bit. It was worse when we came in. They've got it now a little bit wider. Before you just barely fit a car through. But it looked like they had some airport workers trying to open it up a little bit better. This section's not too bad right here. Looks like it's opening up some. Somebody's clearing some. All right, we're now on Walker's Branch, coming down this way. I'm gonna have to stop and wait. There's a couple other cars coming through. Looks like they're doing some sawing. Looks like it's on the cable line. Pretty sure that's cable TV. That's on the line right now. That tree's on the line. I'm not quite sure who it is sawing on it. Looks like it might just be an individual. There's a mark on it at all. You can buff it right out. I should get out here and saw this up and get this out of the way up here.
Yeah, Splenda's coming. They're back there. They're just assessing everything right now.
Yeah, this is really bad because this
Solid.
makes you go into this mud right here. Watch each one of them there. Hopefully next time I have to get out.